Hi everybody. I also wanted to give you a quick tutorial of how to use a program called Anatomy and Physiology Revealed. That's a built-in part of your McGraw-Hill Connect course. So this is what you should see under your student view. Hopefully that's what you see as well. If you come down here to Resources and click on Anatomy and Physiology Revealed, that's going to take you to a really neat software program that utilizes cadaver images and overlays them with labeling terms, and it gives you opportunity to hear pronunciations and even to do quizzes for yourself based on whatever body system you're interested in. So I'm going to go up here to the module and I'm going to select body orientation, and then I am going to go to the quiz tool. I select the region that I want to be quizzed on, so I'll just select all structures, and I'm going to pick the option called Click to Identify. Then I get to tell it how many. There we go. So now it says click on the sacral region. So I am going to find the sacral region there, and then say next question. Left upper quadrant. If I'm in anatomical position, I know that I'm looking face to face with this person, so I need to switch it around. So the left upper quadrant is here. All right. And then frontal region. All right, I am going to, the frontal region is here. I'm going to click on the back of the head just so we see what happens. Down here you can see that I've gotten a 2 out of 2 so far with 100%. Let's see what happens if I do that. So it tells me that that's incorrect, and it shows me the correct region. So this is one option of one way that you can use this program. I'm going to end this test here. And you also have the dissection tool. Let me see, I might have to back out of this first. With the dissection, you can click on terms. You can pick body regions, body cavities, body positions. These are all different options for you. And let's see. So if we're here, we can see what abdominal cavity means. We can see where the cranial region is. We can see where the axillary region is, and it'll even pronounce it for me if I need to hear that. Just like that. So this is just a great tool for you when you're working through these terms, and this might be, that quiz tool might be a really great thing to try today or tomorrow as you're preparing for your quiz on Connect for Chapter 1. So hopefully that helped you out. If you have any questions or if you find any additional ways that you can utilize APR, please share that with us and on the discussion board, and that would be a great thing for everybody to know. Thanks a lot. Bye.